Is your iPhone display looking too warm, too yellow, or just not quite right? That might be because of the True Tone feature. While it helps make your screen look more natural, not everyone likes it. In this guide, I will show you how to quickly enable or disable True Tone feature on your iPhone step by step. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what True Tone does. True Tone automatically adjusts your iPhone's display based on the lighting around you. It uses advanced sensors to match the color temperature of your environment, making the screen easier on your eyes. But sometimes it can make the display look yellowish or less vibrant, especially when you are editing photos or watching videos. Here's the easiest way to turn the True Tone on or off. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Look for the True Tone toggle, turn it on to enable True Tone or turn it off to disable it. That's it. Your screen will instantly adjust based on your choice. If you want a quicker way to enable or disable True Tone, then follow these steps. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Press and hold on the brightness slider. Now you will see the True Tone option at the bottom. Tap it to turn it on or off. This is the fastest way to switch between modes anytime you like. Remember, True Tone is only available on supported iPhone models like iPhone 8 and newer. If you don't see the option, your device might not support it. So when should you use the True Tone feature? You can turn it on for everyday use and better eye comfort, or turn it off for photo editing or when you want accurate colors on the screen. And that's how you can easily enable or disable True Tone feature on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and check out more iPhone tips and fixes on iOS Hackett. Thanks for watching.